Welcome back to my channel, everybody. If you do not know who I am, my name is Angel Rene'a, and I am so sorry I have not been dropping new content. I have been dealing with health issues, which I want to do a story time on that later on down the line, as well as just moving. Like, I just need to give a life update of Angel and what's been up with me. But this vlog is consisting of me doing a wig install. What kind of wig install, you may ask? A Neapolitan shade wig install from my collection. The unit is Angel. It's a beautiful shade. As you can see, it's a 3-color unit. And I know y'all love this. Like, it's so fire. I am going to be stepping in and out to give a few pointers. I just finished on my ball cap, so now I'm laying it down. And as you can see, I am applying 3 layers of lace glue. I might do 4, but I believe it was just 3. And I did melting spray as well. So continue watching. Like I said, I'm going to be stepping in and out to show you and give you pointers when you are laying your lace down. Make sure each layer of glue is dried clear. Not too dry where it's not going to stay. You still want it to be sticky. And now I am applying my melt band, and I am sewing the back of my wig down because I be tussling with my kids, y'all, like literally, like, so they might pull my hair, but for the most part, my wig stays on because of my lace glue. I have a great holding lace glue, as well as I use my melt spray. And you can find that on my website. I do have my website right here, and it will be in the description of this video. Again, stay tuned. When cutting your lace off of your lace wig, please go in a zigzag. Mimic your hairline. You want to make it look as natural as possible and make it as invisible as possible. You know, lace most definitely is not invisible, but, you know, lace wear, you know. Now I cut a few layers into my unit, and I am throwing some curls for the girls. I love me some cute curls because later they'll fall. My next install, I need to really do a straight wig. But anyway, on the flip side, look at that pink. It goes from, you know, a dark like a chocolate to strawberry to vanilla, and that's why I call it Neapolitan. Like a Neapolitan shade, but it's in the shade Angel. That's the name of the unit. The name of the unit is Angel. I think a lot of people can pull this off. Y'all make sure y'all go shop and get that Angel unit. I promise y'all to fall in love. The curls help great. And this is the final look, y'all. What y'all think? Like, I didn't want it to be too much curls, but yes. And I use a soft little sheen spray, little finishing spray, and voila, look at that. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me would y'all rock this. Tell me that I do a great install. Middle part eating, you know, middle part bust down. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if you will wear this unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.